Are you a frequent flyer? Well, in today's video, we are checking out the 4 best neighborhoods near Austin-Bergstrom Airport to buy a house. We're gonna get after it right now. Hey, Daniel here, your local Austin area real estate expert. If you're thinking of making a move to the greater Austin area, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on the latest real estate news. You know, I was a teacher for 10 years before I jumped into real estate, and I found that my approach to teaching has transferred over very well as a realtor. Being honest, having a good work ethic, effective communication skills, and honestly just wanting to help people achieve their goals is still really important to me. So it doesn't matter if you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Love to help you and your family find a great home in the greater Austin area. All of those details can be found in the description below. So where we are today, we are going to be looking at 4 different neighborhoods around Austin-Bergstrom Airport. And I'm actually sitting out in my backyard right now because I live in one of the neighborhoods close to the airport. Hoping maybe a plane will fly by as I'm talking. We're going to check out Prado. We're going to check out, oh, there we go. Called it. We're going to check out Easton Park, which is where I live. We're going to check out Colorado Crossing, and then Berdoll Farms. Okay, those 4. So we are going to talk about just prices of homes in there, current inventory, and I'll give you some insight into the different amenities and what the neighborhoods look like. So I'll see you over at neighborhood number 1. So the first neighborhood we're checking out is Colorado Crossing. This is a Lennar neighborhood west of the airport. You can see it's 8 minutes away. The amenities here include a pool, playground, and park. Pretty basic. The tax rate here is 2.02%, so relatively low. HOA 142 quarterly. And there are 15 homes available, as you can see on the screen. As far as built, they were built between 2006 to 2020, a pretty wide range, so you can definitely get something much newer or much older. Average price per square foot here is $201.69, and the average price here is $358,784, with the average square foot range being 1,856. So the next neighborhood we're checking out is Prado. This is a smaller neighborhood just north of the airport. This one is 9 minutes away from the airport, and the amenities are pretty typical, pretty same as the previous one. They have a pool, playground, and park also in this area. It is a smaller pocket community, so not a lot outside of the community. If you are a runner and you want paved trails, you don't really have as much as these other communities. Prado's HOA is $183 quarterly. Its tax rate is the lowest we're looking at today at 1.58%. There are 5 listings available. It's going to be the smallest, right? So very few available right now. Built between 2017 to 2020, so not too old. Average size of the homes here are 1,985 square feet. Average price per square foot is $198.98, and the average list price currently is $384,780. So the third neighborhood we're checking out is Berdoll Farms. This is 9 minutes away east of the airport. So now we're in Del Valle. This neighborhood is actually right next to Del Valle High School. The amenities here, very similar to what we've seen previously, right? So we have a pool. They do have more trails around here, and then they have a playground, and it looks like a basketball court right next to that pool area. As far as the tax rate here, it's 2.02%, so the same as Colorado Crossing. HOA is 115 quarterly, which is the lowest that we've seen so far. And there are 7 total homes available. These were built much older, so 2002 to 2006 is when Berdoll Farms was built. Average size of the homes here is 1,828 square feet. Average price per square foot is by far the lowest of the 4 neighborhoods we're looking at today at $162.24, and the average price also the lowest, $293,186. And the final neighborhood, this one's going to be the furthest away. This is Easton Park, 16 minutes away. This is where I live, and I actually have a separate channel fully devoted to Easton Park. It's called Living in Easton Park. So I definitely encourage you, if after hearing this, you're more intrigued about this neighborhood, check out that YouTube channel, because I do a video once a week and it covers a wide variety of topics, but Easton Park is massive, so that's why it has its own dedicated YouTube channel. But for this video, quick overview. So for Easton Park, the amenities here, there's a lot. It's called Easton Park mainly because there are so many parks. Tons of parks, 13 miles of paved trails. As you can see the video right now, I'm standing at Skyline Park, which is the highest point in Easton Park. Just kind of give you a sense of the neighborhood looking around. We're right next to Newton Collins Elementary School. They are building an HEB at the end of 2027 right next to the neighborhood. And then they should be building Easton Park. They started in 2016. We're still underway. We have 7 different builders out here, and they are anticipating another 8 years, so finishing in 2033. As far as what's available right now, or excuse me, I should tell you real quick, HOA is $71 a month, so that comes out to $243 quarterly, so that's the highest of the 4 we've looked at today. And then tax rate is dependent on where you buy and which builder you buy with. Tax rate is between 2.57 to 2.92, so a pretty wide range there. Now, as far as the data for what's available right now, we have 82 available, and that's because they are still building, so this is a mix of resale, mostly new construction. As I said, built between 2016 to current, and average square foot size here is much larger than previous neighborhoods. It's 2,617 square feet. Average price is the highest, $234.87, and the average list price is much higher at $613 and $613,921. I will say that's a wide range for Easton Park. You can get a home for $300,000, you can get a home for $1 million, and everything in between. So, yeah, there you go. Remember, if you are thinking of making a move to the greater Austin area, regardless if it's near the airport, up in Gerald, down to San Marcos, I serve the whole area. So if you are thinking of making a move in the next 12 months, you can always give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Love to help you and your family find a great home and a great deal in the greater Austin area. Until next time, I hope to see you guys around town.